This is the wetlands! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! This is the wetlands! Ah! It's so wet! Woo! I can smell it! Wetland is a distinct ecosystem that is flooded or saturated by water. Alright. So there are 30 species of this plant. They are cattails. They are the first wetland plants to colonize new areas of mud. They produce thousands of seeds and dispose everywhere. What's up, G? This is a vegetarian buffer. And it's a vegetative strip of land all over the body of water, which helps to protect from the impact of land and humanity on it.
The wetlands are hydric soils, which means they are constantly wet and forever wet. The hydrology of a wetland creates the unique physical-chemical conditions that distinguish it from a well-drained system. The wetlands do a couple of things. They act as a wildlife and habitat for all the creatures and animals that live in them, and they also protect water quality. They drain out most of the water and protect everything near us. Like, if you look that way, everything is well drained and it's slowly coming better. Because it was just dead like last week, and now look at it again. It's all looking nice. So they also protect from flood protection because of the wetlands, how the wetlands have mud all around them. They protect from erosion, and they protect from flooding onto land like this, which will destroy all of this land right here.
Wetlands are able to remove nitrogen and phosphorus through the soil through a combination of physical, chemical, and biological processes that happen in wetlands. And as you can see, everything is flowing through these streams, and that's what's processing all of these chemicals out of the water. And that's why it's so clean here, sometimes. Wetlands function as a natural sponge that slowly traps and releases surface water from the mud underneath. They also slow the speed of floods and distribute the water slowly. So every time a flood happens, the wetlands, it traps the water so it doesn't overflow, and it releases it slowly throughout time.
The wetlands are rich in biodiversity and vital for human survival. They form rivers and marshes, which are good for the habitats. So biodiversity just basically means a lot of animals and stuff live here. So like it's good for our environment and our habitat to have the wetlands, because they have tons and tons of area for stuff to live and stuff to regenerate and all other good types of things. So the U.S. Army Corps, or as Alex says, the guys with the guns, the U.S. Army Corporation, they protect wildlife and habitats like this because, we have organizations that protect the wildlife, but they don't do as good a job as the U.S. Army because the U.S. Army has such a big funding.
And guns.
And guns. Guns are important, guys. So the U.S. Army, I don't know, we have 64% of America's tax goes to the Army, so some of that goes to help these amazing wildlife and amazing wetlands. They protect and make lakes and make wetlands and protect our wetlands from people like butthole people trying to build motels for some weird guy shooting up crack cocaine.
Like me?
Yep, like Alex. They help from that guy building motels and building stuff over top of our wetlands that are going to be used to make habitat and protect stuff like beavers and turtles, because beavers and turtles are cool. Oh my god, is that a Sam Squanch? Get him, boy! What up, Mr. Catalini? The whole project was done for you, buddy. We love you, and we hope you have a great life, you know, because we'll probably won't see you again.
Yeah, you too, G. I'm about to cry, dude. It's getting emotional, dude. Mr. Kerosene! Mr. Ketamine, why'd you leave? Alright, I'm done.